Welcome back. So are you looking for a blender, a good affordable blender? So this video is for you. Do not skip, just watch. And so I got this blender from a company called Epicon. I think it's in China, and this blender is very simple. It just has two components: the jug for blending the juice, and then we have a grinder. Okay, so let's check it out. So the jug is 1.2 liters, which is a good capacity for a small family, because this blender, as you can see, it's not for high duty purposes. So here is the grinder, and yes, it's that simple. It has served me for a year and a half now, and I highly recommend it if you are looking for an affordable, not high duty blender.